Right, now we are going to discuss a new concept. New concept means we have already discussed two concepts. So the concept number one, actually we have discussed about sequence. The concept number two, we have discussed about selection. And now today we have to discuss about the third concept, which is repetition. Okay, so the third concept is repetition. So please write down number three, repetition or iteration. This is the third basic control structure. This is the third basic control structure which focuses on executing the same code segment repetitively based on a condition. Based on a condition. For an example, assume that you need to print odd numbers from 1 to 10. You need to print odd numbers from 1 to 10. The first odd number is 1. The second number can be obtained by adding 2 to the first number. This process can be repeated until it exceeds 10. This process can be repeated until it exceeds 10. Okay, please write down this and let me know once you are finished, right? Let me know once you are done. So if you are given a task, the concept is if you are given a task to print odd numbers, from 1 to 10, first odd number is 1, then the next odd number is 3, that is 1 plus 2, the next odd number is 5, that is 3 plus 2, the next odd number is 7, that is 5 plus 2, likewise, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will continue. It will continue until 10, until it exceeds 10. So how you can do such tasks? So let's go to Scratch and let me share this. Okay, I'll send this project to you. Now itself, if I can send this, you can just install in your computer and observe. Let me quickly send it to you. Downloads. Okay, I have sent the Scratch project to you, right? Sinhala one also I have sent it to you. Send the both. Sinhala and English, both I have sent. You can download, install, and see. So how to install? You can go to the file and load from your computer. And then you can download, go to the downloads and load it. Okay, let's take a new one, file new, and I'm not going to save this. Let's say the cat want to print, cat want to tell the odd numbers from 1 to 10. The first odd number is, let's say odd, the first number is, it's when the control, sorry, when the event flag click is there, I'm setting the odd number to, I'm setting the odd number to 1. So starting from 1. Starting from 1. Then what I'm going to do after starting from 1, then what I'm going to do, So then I'm going to repeat this, repeat the process, control, and I'm going to repeat this, like, let's say repeat this for 5 times. So what I'm going to repeat? So I'm going to say looks, and I'm going to say the first odd number, that is this odd. After saying the first odd number, I'm changing that by adding 2. Changing that by adding 2. And then let's click the flag, and you can see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5 times, and now it's over. Understood? You can see 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. It's over. It's easy, no? So likewise, so it will print the odd numbers from 1 to 9. That's 5 times. If I reduce the number of seconds, let's reduce it to 0.5. You can see now it's faster. Cat is calculating faster. Right? You can do many tasks in this way. Many tasks in this way. For an example, you can put, just take another one when space is pressed. Let's use control of repeating 10 times. What I'm going to repeat, and I'm going to go to the looks, and I'm going to change the switch to costume, or I'm going to go to the next costume. And then I'll wait. Just the wait in tag, wait in events. Sensing. I cannot remember where to wait. Looks. Control. Wait 1 second, and I'm going to change that to the next code. This 10 time it will going to change the costume. You can see after pressing space. Okay, right. You can see it's changing the costume 10 times, showing that it's running. I can make this process faster. I can make this process faster by making this 0.1 second. Now you can see it's extremely fast running person. Okay, it's running. Now while running, I just want to move forward. So that can also be done. So while running, just moving few steps forward. To move 5 steps. When space is pressed, you can see it's moving. So 5 is like 10. You can see. Right. Any questions? Dimat, is the program code for a calculator app is long? Yes, quite long, but so it's okay. So it's looks long. It looks long, but it is not that much big. So careful if you write, you can just add. So what to do? Okay. So now we can see the running cat. So likewise, you can see, right? You can use these. You can use repetition to do many activities. Change in costumes, change in the shapes, or maybe calculating. So with that, I'm going to give you a small activity. Take a screenshot of this quickly. Take a screenshot of this quickly. I'm also going to take a screenshot. Okay, what I'm going to give, as a homework, try these things. You don't like homework, no, I know. Try this as a homework. Right click, wrap text and behind the text. Okay. Okay, write as a homework. Print even numbers, square numbers, and triangular numbers between 1 to 100. Print even numbers, square numbers, triangular numbers between 100. Okay, do this as a homework. Okay, one special announcement. Next week you don't have classes, but you will have your examination. We will inform that the time and all these things using WhatsApp and Edmodo. So we will meet after the new year. Right, till then, stay safe and wish you a happy new year. Good night too.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, for the test, sir, is it coming from the things we learned up to now?
Yeah, up to now. So things that you have learned up to now will be there in the exam. Right. Okay. Then see you all after the new year, right? Okay, bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, goodbye, sir. Happy
Good
New Year.
night, sir.
Happy New Year too.
Happy New Year, sir.